Today we're diving into the unpredictable world of entrepreneurship, where dreams can soar or crash in the blink of an eye. Have you ever wondered which businesses have the highest failure rates? Well, you're in luck because we're about to uncover the top contenders. We're taking a closer look at 9 ventures that have notoriously high failure rates. From fitness centers to retail stores, these businesses may seem promising on the surface, but behind the scenes, they often face a myriad of challenges that can lead to their downfall. But why do these businesses struggle to stay afloat? And what lessons can aspiring entrepreneurs learn from their failures? Stick around as we explore the stories behind these ventures and uncover the reasons why they have such a tough time succeeding in today's competitive landscape. Number 1. Gyms. A couple, Sarah and John, were passionate about fitness and decided to open their own gym. They invested in state-of-the-art equipment, hired experienced trainers, and marketed their gym extensively. However, within a year, they found themselves struggling to attract and retain members, ultimately leading to the closure of their gym. Gyms often face challenges due to intense competition, high operating costs, rent, utilities, equipment maintenance, and the need for continuous investment in new equipment and classes to retain members. Additionally, economic downturns can lead to decreased discretionary spending on fitness memberships. Many provided sources suggest that the failure rate for gym businesses is alarmingly high, with approximately 81% of new gyms failing within their first year of operation. If you think this is bad, wait until you see our top loser business. Number 2. ATMs. David saw an opportunity to earn passive income by installing ATMs in high-traffic locations. He invested in several machines and placed them in convenience stores and malls. However, despite the initial promise of profits, David soon realized that maintaining the ATMs, handling cash logistics, and dealing with regulatory requirements were more challenging and costly than anticipated. While ATMs can generate revenue through transaction fees, they also require significant initial investment, ongoing maintenance costs, and regulatory compliance. Additionally, the rise of digital payments and mobile banking has reduced the demand for cash and ATM services in some areas. There is no source indicating the failing rate of ATM machine businesses that we could find. Number 3. Dry cleaning businesses. Emily inherited a dry cleaning business from her parents and hoped to modernize it to attract new customers. Despite investing in eco-friendly cleaning methods and improving customer service, Emily struggled to compete with larger chains offering lower prices and faster turnaround times. Eventually, declining sales forced her to close the business. Dry cleaning businesses face challenges such as high operating costs, equipment, rent, labor, environmental regulations, and competition from larger chains. Changes in consumer behavior, such as the preference for casual attire and the rise of machine-washable fabrics, have also contributed to the decline of traditional dry cleaning services. From many different sources, the failure rate of the dry cleaning businesses is around 5 to 10%. Number 4. Hotels. Mark and Lisa invested their savings in a boutique hotel located in a popular tourist destination. Despite their efforts to provide personalized service and unique amenities, the hotel struggled to maintain occupancy rates due to competition from larger chains and online booking platforms offering lower prices. Eventually, Mark and Lisa were forced to sell the hotel at a loss. Hotels face challenges such as fluctuating demand, seasonal variations, high fixed costs, property maintenance, staffing, and competition from alternative accommodations like Airbnb. Economic downturns, natural disasters, and public health crises can also impact travel and tourism, leading to decreased occupancy and revenue for hotels. Number 5. Retail stores. Alex opened a boutique retail store selling handmade crafts and artisanal goods. Despite the store's charming ambience and unique product offerings, Alex struggled to attract enough foot traffic and compete with larger retailers offering similar items at lower prices. Eventually, declining sales forced Alex to close the store and focus on online sales instead. Retail stores face challenges such as changing consumer preferences, competition from e-commerce giants like Amazon, high operating costs, rent, inventory, staffing, and the need to adapt to digital trends like online shopping and mobile payments. Additionally, economic recessions and shifts in demographics can impact consumer spending habits and foot traffic in retail locations. Did you know one retailer fails every 11.5 minutes in the United States, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, according to RetailOwner.com blog? This is bad, but nothing as bad as the worst business to be in on our list. Number 6. Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon. Jessica decided to start her own e-commerce business using Amazon FBA to handle fulfillment and logistics. She sourced products from overseas suppliers and listed them on Amazon's marketplace. However, Jessica soon encountered issues with inventory management, competition from other sellers, and fluctuations in Amazon's seller fees and policies. Despite her efforts to optimize listings and advertising, Jessica struggled to turn a profit and eventually discontinued her business. While Amazon FBA offers convenience and access to a vast customer base, sellers face challenges such as fierce competition, rising advertising costs, counterfeit products, and dependence on Amazon's algorithms and policies. Additionally, changes in shipping costs and delivery times can impact profit margins for FBA sellers. According to Jungle Scout, only 17% of Amazon FBA sellers have sold for 5 years or longer, implying an 83% failure rate within the first 5 years. And did you know that 90% of Amazon FBA sellers fail in 2023? Number 7. Quick service restaurants. Mike and Michelle opened a fast food franchise hoping to capitalize on the popularity of quick service dining. They invested in a prime location, streamlined operations, and aggressive marketing campaigns. However, despite their efforts to attract customers with promotions and discounts, the restaurant struggled to achieve profitability due to high overhead costs, food wastage, and competition from other fast food chains. Quick service restaurants face challenges such as intense competition, changing consumer preferences for healthier options, rising food and labor costs, and the need for consistent quality and service. Additionally, the COVID-19 pandemic highlighted vulnerabilities in the restaurant industry, including disruptions to supply chains, dining restrictions, and shifts toward delivery and takeout. Some sources indicate the hospitality business has an astonishing approximately 60% of restaurants fail within the first year and 80% fail within the first 5 years. Number 8. Last-mile delivery services. Tom launched a last-mile delivery service specializing in same-day and express delivery options for e-commerce businesses. He invested in a fleet of delivery vehicles, hired drivers, and developed a user-friendly mobile app for tracking shipments. However, Tom struggled to scale his business and compete with larger logistics companies offering lower prices and faster delivery times. Eventually, he had to shut down his operation due to unsustainable operating costs and limited market share. Last-mile delivery services face challenges such as high fuel and vehicle maintenance costs, unpredictable traffic conditions, labor shortages, and the need for efficient route optimization and parcel tracking systems. Additionally, intense competition and pressure to offer free or discounted shipping can erode profit margins for delivery companies. According to a Dubai-based venture capital firm, last-mile delivery failure rates run at anything between 15% and 25%. Did you know that the failure rate ranges from 2% to 10% on the first delivery attempt for home deliveries, which can add a lot of burden to the company's profit margin? Number 9. The information industry. For our top contender, the highest failure rate in business is the information industry. According to Clarify Capital, the one-year failure rate for the information industry is 27.6%, which is significantly higher than the average of 20.8% across all private sector businesses. The information industry has a 5-year failure rate of 60.9% and a staggering 10-year failure rate of 75.3%. The information industry includes publishing, broadcasting, film, telecommunications, data processing, and data communications. And that wraps up our exploration of the top 9 businesses with the highest failure rates. From the fierce competition in the restaurant industry to the evolving landscape of technology startups, we've uncovered the challenges that entrepreneurs face on their journey to success. But remember, failure is not the end. It's an opportunity to learn, grow, and come back stronger. So, whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out on your business venture, take these lessons to heart and keep pushing forward. If you found this video informative and insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow aspiring entrepreneurs. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable and informative content that can help you navigate life much easier. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, keep chasing your dreams and turning your visions into reality. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. And as always, stay blessed.